Fern Forest Nature Center. This is a beautiful place, and not only that, we'd be walking in shade. And it's very hot today, so shade very good. Let me move this back a little. Wow, jungle, more jungle. Wow, more jungle. Ooh, jungle. Where's Tarzan? Where's Jane? Oh, here's Jane. Where's Tarzan? Wow. So this is what this whole area looked like before man and woman came and dug it up. I see many animals in here over the years. Yes, small animals, mammals. I see raccoon, I see armadillo, I see possum. Many different animals in here. Not all at the same time. This is really grown up. Well, I've not been here for a couple of years. Grown up. Let's see if we can get us on the screen. Hi, Ma. Hi. Richard and Svetlana. There's Gumbo Lumbo tree. See? Yeah. Stop this thing.